YouTube. What? YouTube, what it do, man? It's your boy NateJustDope back with another video in JD Nation. What's up with it, man? Today's video, as y'all can see by the title, I know it's been a while since I did a hair update video, man, so I want to go ahead and do this 3-year and 6-month fro journey update video for y'all, man. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get right into the video. Bars. So yes, man, like I said, 3 years, 6 months, man. It's kind of like 3 years, 6 months, and like 7 days, I believe so. Yeah. So yes, man, as y'all can see, the hair is up in pineapple, or what a lot of people like to say now is a pine tree, you know what I'm saying, formation, you know what I'm saying, but we gonna call it, you know what I'm saying, either pineapple or a palm tree. Which one y'all think? Pineapple, palm tree? Might be palm tree gang, you know what I'm saying? Let me know. But yes, man, so I got it up in the pineapple or palm tree formation, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it down real quick. This is still the same braid out from like the last braid out video. Here we go, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and shake it out real quick. Ooh, Lord have mercy. But yes, as y'all can see, the hair is long and stuff. I'm looking at the screen. I should be looking at y'all, but I'm trying to get it right. Have it look right, you know what I'm saying? But this what it's looking like, man. You know, ooh, it look terrible right now, but that's because it was up in the pineapple or palm tree. But yeah, so this is what it's looking like, man. I think the last video, let me see, let me check, let me make sure, because I don't want to say the wrong thing. Let me see, let me make sure. It's been 2 months since my last update video. Same thing really, you know what I'm saying? I do the banding method. For people that don't know what the banding method is, I will leave a card up at the top, either on this side or that side, one of them. But yes, I do the banding method every night. That's my night routine. I think I have a night routine video or something. If y'all want an updated night routine, y'all can go ahead and let me know down below. But it's really like the banding method. I have a few videos of the banding method on my channel anyway, so y'all can go check those out. But if y'all want an updated night routine video, let me know, bars. And for those that want to know, I use the argan oil and the coconut oil. Those are my two main oils that I use. Well, those are the only oils that I use. And the hair products that I use the As I Am Twist Defining Cream and the As I Am Leave-In Conditioner. And then I also use the Moroccan shampoo. I can't remember the exact name of it, but it's the Moroccan shampoo. I'll probably leave a picture up on the screen. Bow, right there. You know what I'm saying? Ooh. Yeah, I use those mainly for my twist outs, braid outs, well, anything really. And then I also use from time to time, pretty much like every day when I wake up, I use the Cantu Leave-In Conditioner Mist. You know what I'm saying? It's a bottle where you spray and stuff. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and show y'all real quick. Bow, right here. Here it goes. You know what I'm saying? If y'all want this, I would definitely go and get it, man. It's not sponsored, you know what I'm saying? But Cantu, if y'all want to sponsor the boy, you did. But yeah, so that's pretty much it, man. Like I said, I mainly focus on my braid outs and twist outs and stuff, man. So if y'all want me to do any other kind of videos besides finger coils, you know what I'm saying, let me know and I'll definitely do that, man. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't want to hold y'all any longer. Don't want to make this video too long. I just want to give y'all my 3 and 6 month hair update, man, for y'all, man. So if you're new, you like what you see, go down and hit the subscribe button, and once you do that, hit the bell so y'all can be notified when I drop new videos, because they will drop randomly, like I always say. Good Vibes Only 454 Season 2 Summer Collection is now available. Both drops are now available, man. So if y'all want to go copy out something, bio link is down in the description below. And if y'all support me, I appreciate it very much, man. So give me some more video ideas that y'all want to see down below, and I'll definitely bring it to y'all, man. I'll bring it to life for y'all, man. So yeah, with that being said, it's your boy NateJustDope signing out. Deuce. I'm off this one.